Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you how to make Ghanaian Egushie soup. Some say Egushie. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, without wasting much time, let's begin to make our Ghanaian Egushie soup. In my pan, I add in roasted meat and then add my smoked fish. Here I add blended ginger, garlic, onion, and then pepper, all blended together. Then I rinse my bowl, I add the water to it. I add a little bit of salt. The meat and then the fish are salted already, okay? So I add my seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Here I add my tomato paste. You can also use the fresh ones as well. Then I add a little bit of water to it. Then we give it a gently stir. We cover and then allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, at this point we go ahead and add our blended egusi. Then I rinse my bowl, I add the water to it. We stir everything together. In Ghana here, we don't add palm oil to our egusi soup, okay? We don't even add oil to it. One big difference between Ghanaian egusi soup and that of Nigerians is that we don't add palm oil, and our soup looks a little bit runny as compared to that of Nigerians. What they call soup, we call that stew here in Ghana. I don't know why it's like that, but that's it. Adding palm oil to our egusi soup is a big no-no here in Ghana, okay? Yes. And now our soup is almost ready, guys. As you can see, it's almost ready. Guys, this is the consistency of Ghanaian egusi soup. This is how the consistency is. So we are going to allow it to simmer small on low heat, and this will bring oil on the surface. At this point, our egusi soup is ready, so I turn off the heat. The question is, what do you enjoy your egusi soup with? When you come to Ghana, the northern part of Ghana, they enjoy their egusi soup with pounded yam. That is one of their favorites. So I'm serving that with my pounded yam. You can also call it fufu. And guys, you are all invited. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. I hope you give this recipe a try. Okay, bye y'all.